Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Developers Corner. So today we will learn how to update user, how to delete the user, and how to fetch the users and how to fetch a single user. So let's start with fetch user. So get all users. So const get a user is equal to async handler, then async request response, and then okay. Now what we need, const get get all user, get users is equal to await user dot find. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will wrap it in try and catch, error, throw new error, and pass error here. Okay, and paste it here, and response.json get users. Now export it, get all users. Okay, now go to routes. Okay, router dot get what we can do, all users comma request. Oh, what's the function name? Get all users, get all users. Okay, so let's try once. Postman, and I need MongoDB, and one more thing I need, Mongo. Okay, this is my DB and I have only one user. Okay, so let's start digit auth add request get all users, and our endpoint is control V. Okay, send message not found. Oh, sorry, get test users. Okay, what's my route? Okay, all users, sorry, all test users. Okay, we are getting our users. Let's create a new user also. It's mono, password is same, and mono d 0232. Okay, let's create this user. Okay, we are getting error that mobile duplicate key, so I want to change the number 2954234. Okay, our new user is created, and then if we fetch the users, so we are getting all the users. Okay, so next thing what we will do is we'll fetch a single user. So get a single user for this what we need, const get a user is equal to async handler. Okay, it's equal to async handler, async request response. Okay, so now what we need is, we need id from where, from params, request dot params. Okay, and if we log this id and export it, get a user, and then what we need to go to auth route, control cv. Okay, it's user. If we pass id from here, and we need to get a user. Okay, so now I am copying this id and I need a new request. I think it's outside. I need a new request, edit, get a user. Okay, control a, control c, control v, and from here we need to pass the id. From here, control c, control v, and send. Now if you check in terminal, we will get the id. Terminal, which where I'm, see, we are getting this id here. Okay, so we need to use this id, try catch error, and what I'm doing, shit man. Yeah, throw new error. Okay, now what you need to do is get a user is equal to await user dot find by id, and we need to pass this id here, and response dot json we need to pass get a user. Okay, let's check it once. Message cast to object id field for value id. Okay, I think it's 1 minute. Log request dot params. Okay, id we are getting. Oh, sorry, we don't need to pass it like this, we need to pass it simply. Okay, if we send the request again, yeah, we are getting the user. Okay, so next what we do, we will learn how to delete a user. So we will simply copy this and only change this one, delete a user, and same thing we need to do here, delete a user. Here you will get the deleted user, and we need to export it, delete a user, go here and delete, and here we need to pass delete a user. Okay, so we need a new request, it's delete, and we need to copy this. Okay, delete a user. Okay, send the request. Yeah, here we will get the deleted user, and if we check in, okay, 1 minute. Oh, sorry, one thing I forgot. Find by, it's find by ID. What I know, find by ID and delete. Okay, so now send the request, and now if we check here, our user is deleted. Okay, and now next thing is how we can update the user. So for update user, create user, login user, here we will do update a user. So const update a user is equal to async handler, async request response. Okay, so okay, const id is equal to request dot params. Now I am normally telling you that how we can update the user. For updating a user, there is one more way. For that we need to verify the user first. That user verification we will do in next video. Then I will tell you the another way that how we can do that. Okay, so const, okay, try catch error. Throw new error. Okay, const update user is equal to await user dot find by id and update. In that next method we will get this id from another way. First we will verify that user. Okay, then we will get the user from request, not from params. Okay, so from here I need to pass the id, and in next what I need to update, first name request dot body dot first name, last name we can update request dot body dot last name, then we have email request dot body dot email, then we have mobile, it's request dot body dot email. To prevent the errors, what we can do is we can check like this. Okay, and here we need to pass new true, and in finally we will get response.json update a user, you can write it updated user. Okay, let's pass this, export it, updated user, control CV, auto.put, pass updated user. Okay, updated user is not defined. Okay, what I named is update a user. It's updated user. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to create a new request. Update a user, and this request is put author output. Okay, and control C, control V. I think this user is deleted. We need to create a new user. From here we need to control V, body, JSON. So we need to update it. It's mono 1, the 1, mono 2, 3, 3, and in pass number mobile, send. Yeah, okay. It's email mobile, email mobile. In both we are getting email ID. Why? 1 minute. User control. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. Mobile. Yeah, now we are getting correct number, and if we check in DB, see here it is also updated. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. In next video I will verify the token, and then we will get the user from request. Then we don't need to get this ID from request.params. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in next video.